Listen, if you're worried about moving to Saudi Arabia, you don't have to be. This is one of the safest, I think the safest places I've ever lived. I never have to worry about going out at night or coming home late by myself. They have all my favorite restaurants, all my favorite stores to shop at. I can find food from everywhere around the world. Not only that, but I love traveling around Saudi. They have some of the most beautiful culture. The people are so friendly, so welcoming. Some of you may have heard of Petra, but in Saudi, in the north, we have Dar Salah, which is also from the Nabateans. There's tons of historical things you can check out here. For those who are interested in history, it's like so amazing to hear all of the historical things. Go to museums. There's a beach here that like the water is the same color as the Maldives. So you don't even have to leave the country to go to the most beautiful, clear, clean waters. It's the best snorkeling I've ever done. You can't beat the proximity to some of my favorite places to travel to, like Europe, Sri Lanka, Maldives, what else? Turkey, Cyprus. Anywhere that you've ever wanted to go and it's been too far or too expensive is so much easier here and so much cheaper. Coffee. If you love coffee, you have to come here. On every corner, there's an amazing specialty coffee shop. And if you're worried there won't be like enough entertainment because you've heard it's a dry country, don't worry. They're bringing in the best musicians, sports events, festivals, like whatever you can imagine, they have it here. Amusement parks. So pack your bags and just come already.
Learn Saudi culture and language with Arabia's. Book your free trial now.